Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use AI summary on Telegram channel. So let's get straight into the video. And there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. The first way is going to be with the official Telegram AI summaries. Generally, what happens is Telegram automatically provides summaries for long channel posts, particularly in iOS versions. If that doesn't work, you might need to go ahead and use the Junction bot. So all you need to do is simply go to the search bar and search for the Junction bot. So it's Junction_bot. You can search it both ways. So as you can see, it's right over here. Simply go ahead and click on that and click on start. Once you've done that, as you can see, you can simply go ahead and start in Telegram or start in browser. You can simply go ahead and click on either of those. I'm just going to go ahead and launch it right over here. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and wait for it. And as you can see, you can ask it to do a multiple things. Simply click on create a digest, and then you can simply go ahead and paste the chat link right over here, which is going to give you a 5-minute briefing of daily channel updates, acting as a dedicated AI summarizer. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.